Oh, hi guys, I'm Christian Buenzire. And Chase, Norman, if you're watching this, I'm your best fan. And today I'm going to do an epic prank. Watch. I'm going to show you massive dogs. Going to show you now. Doggies! Come on, doggies, come on. Chloe, Alexander. Whoa, look at that massive dog. Run for your lives, guys. Man, look at that thing. Look at that stuff. Can you believe this? They are so humongous. Can you believe this? Alright, guys. I think this is going to be the end of the video. But I hope you like it. But just go Google Christian Buenzire, because I'm going to do lots of epic pranks. This wasn't now an epic prank, but lots of epic pranks in the past. Bye.